Tanks are heavy military vehicles designed for combat on land, but what happens when they encounter a river or body of water? There are actually several ways in which tanks can cross a river, and here are some of them. Bridging. Bridging is a common method used by military engineers to create temporary bridges for tanks to cross. The engineers use various types of equipment, such as pontoon bridges or floating bridges, to create a pathway for the tanks to cross the river. Fording. Fording is another method used by tanks to cross shallow rivers or streams. This involves driving the tank through the water, using its tracks and engine power to propel it forward. However, fording can be risky, as the tank could get stuck in the water or suffer damage from hidden rocks or debris. Swimming. Some tanks are designed to swim across a river or body of water. These tanks are equipped with watertight seals, propellers, and air intakes to allow them to move through the water. However, swimming tanks require specialized training and support and are not always available. Helicopter transport. In some cases, tanks can be transported across a river or body of water by helicopter. The tank is lifted by a helicopter and flown across the river, then lowered onto the other side. This method is usually only used for light tanks or armored vehicles. In conclusion, there are several methods that tanks can use to cross a river, including bridging, fording, swimming, and helicopter transport. The method chosen will depend on the depth and width of the river, as well as the resources available to the military.